Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be creating this look. It's like a sunset look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, continue watching. So I've already primed my face and I used my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer, and I'm going to do my eyes Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'll set it with the Rimmel Stay Matte. I'll be using Jeffree Star Beauty Blender. For foundation, I'll be using Marc Jacobs Remarcable, and it's full coverage. I am beige light. I love how it has a little applicator already for you just to put on your face. With this, you don't want to put too much just because it gives you so much product and you can all blend it out, and it'll be so much. I've learned that the hard way with this one time. Now I'm gonna blend it all in. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Beauty Blender to blend it all in. What concealers do you guys use? Let me know in the comments, because I live for this concealer. I honestly haven't tried anything else because it's just so good. For translucent powder to set under my eyes, I'll be taking again Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder, Beauty Blender to apply it. Using the Studio Fix by MAC Cosmetics. I'm only going to be using like a little bit because this foundation is so full coverage. You only need just a little bit of powder just to set it in place. Okay, for eyebrows, I'm going to be using Benefit Cosmetics by Kabrow. I'm in a darker shade, which is number 6 as well. And I'll be using my Morphe brush again to use. Okay. I always do my eyebrows after I do my powders, just because I don't want any to go into my eyebrow, which happens a lot with me. Set my eyebrows in place. I'm going to be using the Anastsia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. My eyes, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. This is such a huge palette. You can create so many different looks with this palette. It is seriously amazing. The shade I'm going to be taking is 518. I'm just going to pack this color in my crease. gonna go for like a sunset look today. It's such a nice color, holy crap. Do you guys have his James palettes? Do you guys have James Charles palettes? It's gonna be a lot of blending today. I just know it. Next color I'll be taking is B. Okay, so next shade I will be using, where is it, is You're Kidding. These colors are like a neon, they're like neon colors. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but in person they're just so nice and bright. I wish they'd pick it up on the camera because it's amazing. Especially this red, it's so beautiful. I'm going to be doing a lot of blending as well, and I will be going back and forth with like the shades that I have used already. This is already looking so cool. I love these colors. These colors in person are so neon, like I said. It's just amazing. The shade I will be taking is Love That. I'm gonna go in with that first shade that I started off with, 518. I'm just gonna go over all of the shades, just so I can blend that orange back up. Oh, sorry, bring that orange back up. I love these colors. Definitely time consuming. And we're back in with that red. I hope this is not blurry. Taking Escape. I just went back in with that red color just to blend them in together so you can see all the colors. I did go back and forth with blending those previous shades in my crease again, so it's just all about blending all the colors together. I'm gonna do my lower lash line now, so on the bottom I'm gonna start off with the Love That. Next I will be taking 518, using the same brush. My battery died once again, guys, I'm sorry. I've already done this side, that's when my camera died. I will be going into be. Put it underneath where I just put the orange. My eyes are just popping at the moment because of these darker shades, especially that purple. And next I'll be taking Love That, where is it, there? I wish you guys could see this in person. It's just so, it looks like they're neon colors. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but seriously they look amazing in person, the colors. So I'll be coming back to my eyes. I'm just going to be taking my KKW Beauty contour palette. I'll be using these two shades. Taking Ofra, and it's a blush and a bronzer. So for highlighter I'm going to be using the Anastsia Beverly Hills and Amrezy. It is so pretty. Such a beautiful like gold highlighter. Amazing. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics roller liner. I'm getting nice and close for you guys. No, I'm getting close just so I can see what I'm doing with the eyeliner. I think that's actually pretty decent. For my waterline, I'll be using the Marc Blacker, I'm pretty sure the shade. So I forgot to do inner corner. Shade I will be taking is Ring Light. This, and I'll do my brow bone as well. Don't know if you guys can see that, but it is such a pigmented shimmer shade. It is so pretty. So I'm going to coat my lashes with Roller Lash by Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm going to coat these before I put false lashes on. For lashes I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty. For lash glue I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty lash glue. I'll do these lashes off camera just because it takes a little while. Can we just take a look at how full on these lashes are? They are honestly amazing. Okay, I have my lashes on. They're very full glam. I am living for them at the moment. Okay, so on my bottom lashes I'm going to be using Roller Lash. And for lipstick I'm going to be using the Too Faced Melted Chocolate. It smells like chocolate, not even joking, it smells amazing. The smell of this lipstick is incredible. For setting spray, I'll be using the Urban Decay. And that's my finished look for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.